I'm at one. I'm like, man down, baby wanna take my life. She don't wanna be no side, she just wanna be my wife.
Hey guys, it's me Nyla and welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing the same outfit as I am in another video. I don't know if I uploaded it yet, but yeah, guess what? I'm freaking pre-filming. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing a BuzzFeed quizzes thing. I have BuzzFeed open on my computer at the moment and I'll put it up like right here. I think I've done this before and the video was just so nasty. It was like a few years ago, but I don't want to talk about it. What weird job should you do based on the dorm you decorate? Interesting. I'll be going to college in a year. Pick some bedding. Oh wait, okay. I kind of like these blue sheets. I won't lie. Pick a pillow. I'm gonna go with the peace sign one. I'm gonna go with the fluffy one. Yes. Pick a plant. I like succulents. These are really cute. I like this one. I like drawstring bags. I don't know. These rugs, I don't like any of them. Let's go with the plain one. Pick one more thing. A mini fridge? Yes. You got... You know what? Never mind. We're not doing this quiz because that was... Why would you... Tell us your preference and we'll give you a BTS prize! I'm so excited. My bias is June though. If you don't know who June is, that's RM Rap Monster. What's your favorite color? Blue. Which of these is more important to you? Being able to write and produce songs, or having a bit of everything? I really want to write and produce songs. That's cool. What is your personality? Yeah, I'm gonna go with happy and spontaneous and funny. Move. I'm short. What kind of songs do you like? I like intense songs with a message. I like fun dance music, and I'm like between these two. We're gonna do upbeat pop songs. Pick a habit. Sticking out my tongue. I got me. Oh my god, look at him. Oh, I was so sure I was gonna get somebody else just because of the tall short question. Pick some Ariana Grande songs and we'll tell you what people love about you. Pick a lead single. Problem. Oh my god, that was my freaking song. I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, I'm gonna choose it. Pick a hit song. I'm gonna go with Love Me Harder anyways. Pick another song. Pick a song from my everything. Be My Baby. Be Alright. You got your positivity. People love how positive you are about every situation. No matter what happens, you always make the best of it. Name all 50 states in 5 minutes, please. Please, man. Oh, capitals? Buy some new summer clothes and we'll tell you which gossip leading lady you are. Pick a top to cool off in. This is cute. That looks like it's Blair. Pick some breezy bottoms. These are cute. I like them. They're regular. Beach resort. What? Oh my god, that was an ad. I like one pieces actually, and yeah, whatever. This is cute. Ooh. These are kind of weird, but they look better than the rest. Pick some sunglasses. Jenny Humphrey. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Comment down below anything you want, literally, like anything, including video requests. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.